Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we are going to see about death of a partner. In the last lesson, retirement of a partner, we saw what are the adjustments to be made. So the same adjustments have to be made even in the case of death of a partner. But the only difference here is the amount payable to the deceased partner should be paid to their legal heir. Okay, and we call this account as executor's account. And now we are going to see how to calculate the share of profit or loss of a deceased partner. Because to settle the executor account, we need to determine the share of profit or loss to the deceased partner. The partner who died is called deceased partner. Okay, we have two methods under this determination. The first one is estimation of profit on time basis, based on time. The other format or the other type of calculating is estimation of profit on turnover or sales basis. Okay, turnover or sales basis. So these are the two bases available on which we will estimate the profit share of the deceased partner. Okay, now we'll see both these with an example. Raman, Daman and Karan were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Daman died on 30th June 2020. Raman and Karan decided to continue the business. Share of profit or loss of the deceased partner from the beginning of the year up to the date of death was to be determined on the basis of last year's profit, that is rupees 3,60,000. Pass necessary journal entry to record Daman's share of profit or loss up to date of death. So here what we have to do is we have to calculate the amount to be paid to the deceased partner based on last year's profit. Okay, the last year's profit is given here rupees 3,60,000. So what we have to do is we'll just do working notes here. So take the last year's profit, that is 3,60,000, multiplied by the share of profit of Daman. Daman's share of profit is 2/6. Okay, and Daman passed away in the month of June. On 30th of June 2020 he had passed away. So what we have to do, we have to calculate the number of months he was active in the business. So we can count from April 1. So April, May, June, he was active for 3 months. Okay, so for those 3 months only his profit share will be paid. Okay, so now so the deceased partner should get 30,000 rupees as his share of profit. Okay, so now we'll pass the journal entry for this. Okay, so this is on 2020 June 30th. We have not yet closed the profit and loss account, so we have to debit this amount to profit and loss suspense account. Okay, so profit and loss suspense account debit to Daman's capital account. So once when we close the capital account of Daman, only then we have to uh, give the amount or determine the amount payable to the executor. But till then, we are going to credit this amount only to Daman's capital account. Okay. So 30,000 is the amount. And narration being Daman's share of profit credited to his capital account. Okay. So this is an example of how to calculate on the basis of profit, previous year's profit. Okay. Now we'll see another sum to learn how to estimate the profit of the deceased partner on turnover basis or sales basis. Okay. So the next sum. A, B, C are sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. B died on 30th June 2020. Books of account are closed on 31st March every year. Sales for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 3 lakh. Sales of rupees 1 lakh amounted between the period from 1st April 2020 to 30th June 2020. Profit for the year ended 31st March 2020 was rupees 30,000. Calculate deceased partner's share in the profit of the firm. Now, first we have to see what is the percentage of profit to sales for the year. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to first consider the profit for the previous year. That is so profit for the previous year, that is rupees 30,000 divided by the sales made for the previous year. Okay, the profit divided by the sales made, rupees 3 lakh into 100. Okay, so we will get 10%, right? So this is percentage of profit to sales. Next, we are going to see the profit up to the date of B's death, that is profit for the whole firm. Profit up to the date of B's death. So it is 10% of the sales. Okay, we have found percentage of profit to sales, that is 10%. So that 10% of the sales made during this time for the current year, that is rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so that 10% of 1 lakh is the profit up to the date of B's death, that is 10 by 100 into 1 lakh. Okay, so it is rupees 10,000, right? So now we have to calculate what is B's share out of this 10,000 profit. So what is B's share of profit? It is 2 by 5. Okay, so 10,000 into this profit share 2 by 5 will give the profit of B till the date of his death. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the estimation of profit on turnover or sales. Okay, thank you, children.